Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving around Parade in downtown Kingston. Now Parade is where all the buses and I guess you would say is like the local bus terminal for downtown. So you can see a lot of activity. The buses come in and then the people go on the taxis. This is one of the busiest parts of downtown Kingston, or one of the busiest parts of Kingston. Probably only half a tree is busier than down here. Okay, on the left you can see all the wholesales, the plazas, and then you can see the market. If we turn left here, that would take us on to West Queen Street, and there are a lot of markets down there. So we are currently on Parade. Or we're driving around on Parade. Okay, so you can see all the buses on the left, all the taxis, very busy area. More buses, and the yellow buses are the government buses. Those are the JUTC buses. And you can see a lot of taxis around the place. On the left, that road is King Street. King Street actually breaks, so you come down King Street here, and then you go on to Parade, East Parade, West Parade, South Parade, and then you go back on to King Street further down. This is one of the historic churches. I don't remember the name of that church, but from the way it's built with the bricks, you know it's been there for a couple decades, well, probably over 100 years. So it's one of the historic sites in Jamaica. But on the right is the park. So if we were to turn left here, we'd go on to East Queen Street, and that would take us back out to Camp Road. If we turn right, that would take us back towards the King Street area. But we're going to go straight. And we're heading back towards the Ocean Boulevard area. Okay, we're on Church Street. Church Street runs from Parade down to Ocean Boulevard. It's a one-way. Parking, well, they used to be very strict about parking down here. As you can see, they have the white line and the yellow line, but as we saw in the video earlier, some people just park in the middle of the road. So I don't know. I know they have records that go around for and they're very strict. If you park on the yellow line, they'll tow you. But it used to be like that. I don't know if they still do it, because we've been driving around here now and we haven't seen one record. And if somebody can park in the middle of the road, alright, maybe not the middle, but they park blocking the road. In the road, they park in the road. You saw it earlier. They park and just block the road and block their lane and literally come out of the car and go and do their business. So I don't think they have the records anymore. Because if that happened back in the day, you would come back and you don't see a car, they would have towed it. Okay, look on the right now. You see the yellow line and then you see the white line where there was a time that if you parked on the yellow line, your car would get towed. but I haven't seen one record driving around here. Okay, we're going across. That's Port Royal Street we just went across, and this bridge is for the Jamaica Conference Center. That's a parking garage on the right, so you would walk across using that bridge. Straight ahead, that's the Kingston Harbor. Okay, so we're now on Ocean Boulevard, so we're going to turn left on Ocean Boulevard. To the left of us now is the Jamaica Conference Center, and that's the second largest conference center in Jamaica. The largest is the Montego Bay Conference Center in Montego Bay. Okay, to the right now, that building is the Bank of Jamaica, and that entrance you see there, it has a big metal door. That's where the armored cars would go in to collect or drop off the money. On the left, coming up now, is the entrance to the conference center. On the right, that tall building is the Scotiabank Center. The Scotiabank Center is one of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. The Pegasus in New Kingston is #1, but I know the Scotiabank is in the top 5. Could be #2, I'm not sure, but it's definitely among the 5 tallest buildings in Jamaica. Okay, this intersection now is Harbour Street. It's a one-way, and we're on Duke Street. So if we go straight across, we would stay on Duke Street, but we're going to go right and go on to Harbour Street. So we're now turning right onto Harbour Street. Now can you see it? Okay, this building on the right now is the Air Jamaica building. I'm not sure if you can see the sign, but it still has the Air Jamaica logo and sign on it. Straight ahead is the Grace Kennedy building, and that's the new head office for Grace Kennedy. It was opened recently, I think a little before COVID hit. And Grace Kennedy has had their head office on Harbour Street for decades now, from the company started, and they're 100 years this year, so you can see the 100 logo celebrating 100 years in operation. And to the left is the old head office for Grace Kennedy. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.